My name's Claytons. This is 3 Newton's laws.
Newton's first law states an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force, and may be seen as a statement about inertia. The objects will remain in their state of motion unless, of course, a force acts to change the motion. Any change in the motion involves an acceleration. Then Newton's second law takes effect.
Alright, Newton's first law of inertia. Basically, it goes like this. The top cup right there, you can see, is at rest. Until you pull the cardboard, it drops down due to gravity.
Newton's second law of motion pertains to the behavior of objects for which all existing forces are not balanced. The second law states that the acceleration of an object is dependent upon 2 variables, the net force acting upon it and the mass of the object.
Newton's second law of motion. Force equals mass times acceleration. My assistant here throws the ball, which will roll, which will equal the acceleration. The mass of the ball will carry it right through the objects, the cups, per se, and knock them down, as you see. And while the paper ball here has no mass, thrown with the exact same force and acceleration, does nothing, as you can see. It's like throwing pretty much a rock against a wall. While that is like throwing a wrecking ball through the wall. Does a lot more damage.
All forces in the universe pretty much are equal no matter how you pair them out. There's no isolated forces for every external force. That acts on an object. There's a force of equal magnitude but opposite direction which acts back on the object which exerted that exact external force. In the case of internal forces, a force on one point of a system can be countered by a reaction force of another of the same system, so that an isolated system cannot by any means exert a net force on the system as a whole.
Newton's third and final law. Basically, when balls drop from a height, it'll hit the floor with an equal force and bounce right back up, which will cause the reaction. If you continuously do it and drop it a lot harder, it will bounce back higher at the equal height.